Hey everybody, it's Jeff Berlin. I have been quite proud, I would say, to champion my beginner reading bass book for non-readers to learn, and my walking bass lines, academic walking lines for people who already know how to read. You can download these as well on my website as packages 1 and packages 6. But I also have, for people that read, packages 2 through 5, which are not in book form but still have pack quite an academic wallop. Package 2 are A2s written in all the 15 written key types and all in major, just major scale, regular Ionian major scale. Package 3 are chord types, the major sevens, minor sevens, dominant sevens, Lydian, a variety of chord types that will make the regard of the bass neck and the regard of music ever improving in you. If music is a language, these chords and all of these exercises are the words and the grammar to learn. Package 4 is the chord tones. I got so good at it, I can play and not look at the neck. That's the liberty that reading got me, because when I was starting this out, I was looking. And finally, package 5, which are approach notes. This is my favorite one because of the fact that it's closest to art. So go to jeffberlinmusicgroup.com. You have a lot of music there, material that is sequential. Packages 1 through 6. Packages 1 and 6 are book form, but also downloadable, and packages 2 through 5 are only downloadable. There's tons of great academic music for you to practice. Add it to your day. Thank you.